What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Smart Key remote fob. This remote key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing we're going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob, the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back, and then the emergency key will slide out like that, and we can just set that to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the bottom of the fob, there's these two notches, one right here and one right here. What I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch, either one of them, and then I'm going to twist the screwdriver like I'm opening a lock with a key. Go over to the other side and do the same thing. And as I do that, it's popping the shell apart. And I'd probably be able to pull this apart with my hands right now, but you also may need to come over to the side like this and just carefully and slowly run your screwdriver along this crack, and it'll just continue to pop that shell apart. Once you have it far enough apart, we can pull it apart with our fingers like that. Now, if we look in the back half of the shell, we see our battery right here. And I'm going to use the screwdriver to get under the edge of it and get it out of that holder. Now we'll grab the new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. The plus side down, and then we want to start this edge in first, the edge by that little metal holder, and then pop it down into place. Now we can go ahead and snap the two halves of the shell back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.